Iawn, Ed Holden, Mr. Formula here, a chroeso, welcome to Studio Panad. I'm here to talk to you about Ysgol Hip Hop. Ysgol Hip Hop. Ysgol Hip Hop, what's that I hear you ask? Well, Ysgol Hip Hop is a challenge, it's a her. And the challenge is this. We want you to write a Welsh language rap song focusing on this subject. What does the Welsh language mean to you and your area? What's the name of your area? Where do you live? What's the history of your area? We want to hear what you have to say. Now, you may have written raps before, you may have performed all over the world, you may have performed with Eminem, or you may have never written raps, or you may never have performed ever in your life. I have absolutely no idea, sgynna i'm syniad o gwbl. But hopefully, here's a few pointers that's going to help you get along to a good start, okay? So dyma rhai pwyntiau fydd yn helpu chi gobeithio. Rhif un. Really important to stay in time with the beat, okay? All you have to do is relax. If you get too excited, you speed up and you'll go ahead of the beat, okay? If you lose concentration, you'll fall behind the beat. So it's really important to relax, feel the beat naturally, and you'll flow on top of the beat, okay? So keep in time with the beat. So, example. Enw fi di Ed, wi siarad Cymraeg, yeah, I'm representing Tafod y Ddraig. Okay, just relax, feel the beat, and naturally, you'll flow on top, okay? Number two, rhif dau, use your imagination, okay? So there's no rules with creativity, iawn? Does na'm rheolau. Some of the best rappers in the world, they're creative with their words, okay? And they're able to create images in the listener's mind. And that's always what makes them stand out from each other. I'm sure you've had it before where you may hear a rapper say something and it'll build a vision, it'll build an image in your mind and you'll go, wow, yeah, I can really see that, okay? And that's because they're creative with their words and they take time to really think about what they're saying. And that's just down to imagination. Everyone can do that, okay? You can do it, I can do it, we can all do it. So, use your imagination. There's no rules with creativity. Number three, very similar to number one, be clear with your words, okay? If you're not clear with your words, you're not gonna be able to get your message across. As rappers and lyricists, the only way we can communicate with the listener is through music, okay? They can't actually see us. They can't see our mannerisms, so they have to hear what we have to say. And the way we get that message across is by using clear voice, okay? So if I go like this, my name's Ed, I'm trying to share, I lost concentration and I didn't keep in time with the beat and I didn't use a clear voice, okay? So the listener might hear that and go, I don't think this person believes in what they're talking about. So it's really important that you have a nice clear voice, okay? And the fourth one, pedwerydd, hwn yn pwysica, this is the most important one, enjoy yourself, okay? It's really important, whether you're doing music or something else, whatever you're doing in life, it's really important to enjoy yourself, okay? If you don't enjoy yourself, then you don't project that energy, right? When you do enjoy yourself, naturally, you project an energy, all right? And that's an infectious energy, okay? So especially for rappers and lyricists, if I write something and I'm really into it, I'm really enjoying it, then naturally I project an energy into that music. So when the listener hears it, they hear the energy, okay? And they really believe, whoa, this person is like really passionate about what they're talking about, okay? And that's because I enjoy what I do, or because rappers or lyricists, we all enjoy what we do. And it's really important that you enjoy what you do in anything in life, okay? So there's 4 pointers, then I've pedwar points. Hopefully that's helped you a little bit. Here's the challenge once again. We want you to create a rap song focusing on this subject. What does the Welsh language mean to you and your area? And remember, we want to hear this in the Welsh language. The winner will be announced on Days Music Cymru, Friday, February 5th, 2021. Okay, best of luck everyone.